How much does an industrial video cost? What's the price of a corporate video? How much is a video per minute? Have you ever paid for a book depending on the number of its pages? How much would a video for my company cost? The answer is, how much have you got? A video can be achieved using archive footage, video shots filmed in a few days, video shots filmed in different places, digital effects, 3D animations. A fair wedding video costs between 1,000 and 3,000 euros. But you are probably thinking about a more interesting product than a decent wedding video. Institutional videos of large corporate groups or governments have prices starting from 30,000 euros. Most corporate videos cost between 1,000 and 30,000 euros. It's like deciding where to go out for dinner, for fast food, to a good tavern, to a restaurant downtown, with a trendy chef. That's why you must have a good plan for your project. You will avoid loss of time and money, and above all, you will avoid disappointment. Decide on a budget range, even if it is approximate. You will get realistic offers, with no surprises. If you're in any doubt about the price of the product you were thinking about, find a couple of videos that you like and ask for an estimate based on those examples.